Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, Scratchers. In this video, I will explain how to use my blocks on Scratch. My blocks are a powerful feature that lets you create your own custom code blocks. Imagine having a complex sequence of 20 or 30 blocks that you use multiple times. My blocks lets you condense that into a single, easy-to-use block. This not only organizes your scripts beautifully, but also makes them incredibly efficient and much simpler to debug. Let's dive in and see how to make your coding journey smoother. To begin creating your own custom block, first head over to the My Blocks category in the block palette on the left side of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Make a Block. Click this to open a new window. Here, you'll give your block a descriptive name, perhaps move and turn or draw square. You can also add inputs, like a number input for steps or a text input for message. For fast, seamless animations, consider checking the Run Without Screen Refresh option. Once you've created your block, a special Define block will appear in your scripting area. This is where the magic happens. Drag this Define block to an empty spot and then place all the existing Scratch blocks that make up your custom action inside it. For example, if your block is Draw Square, you'd put 4 Move and 4 Turn blocks here. Now, your custom block is ready to use. Just drag it from the My Blocks palette into your main script, providing any input values it needs. For advanced usage, remember that Run Without Screen Refresh is fantastic for creating animations that execute in a blink, making your projects feel incredibly responsive. It's also a great practice to break down very complex tasks into several smaller, specialized custom blocks. This keeps your code modular and easier to manage. Don't forget to add comments to your block definitions. This helps you and others understand their purpose later on. Finally, share your amazing projects and show off your clever custom blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.